Charlotte Daifuku, Minister of Beans, third son of the Charlotte family and the fourth child, right? Okay, here's a question about his puff puff fruit. Do you think with him being the Minister of Beans, the whole puff puff fruit is just like a fart joke because beans give you gas? No, serious question, because when he summons the genie out of his belt buckle thing, right? There's a big plume of smoke, and he's called a lamp human, but the fruit's called the puff puff fruit in English. So yeah, no, that's the question. Is the puff puff fruit just a fart joke because he's the minister of beans? Give me your thoughts. If you like stuff like this, please feel free to check out my YouTube channel, Polipede Works. And if you like what you see, I would appreciate your subscription. Thank you so much. See you next time.